Whakaloflahi atu hane do valatala te tupu ke lata I mui awhiawhi. Good evening. In our news bulletin for tonight, whakamana atu e tuanga hongofuru tau he whakawhetui ai a Niue mo Saina. Niue and China celebrated 10 years of peaceful diplomatic relations. Whakamoli e mawihanga Niue mo Saina ke moe tau langmatai ke lata mui tau puhala tu he motu. Niue has signed an economic and technical cooperation agreement with China for the roading project. Whakatu ke mase whakaofo e maluluhila ke whahito ke lau he motu. Unexpected power cuts continue to disrupt power to the northern side of the island. Kumikumi ai e whahinga hua leo leo ke he tahale kua newa oka e taha Piliwawhi ke he taha pāmetau mata potu koloa tawiri maluluhila mai he la. Police are investigating a motor vehicle accident that damaged a security fence and equipment at the solar energy farm at the airport. Whakahoko e taha mā kese mai tau koloa ni kua toa I ke tu puhala whakasese moko ki Niue. Organic market concept is introduced in Niue. Kau whakatahe maanga ko Vaia ki lata moe aho whakatata haluto. Vaia village pulled together to host the second to last show day for 2017. Whakamailonga I Niue mo Saina e tuanga he hongfulu tau tali mai he whakamolia e maweheanga whakawhetuianga whakapolitika mo taha whakawhiawhianga ke he loto taone I alofi hea whaiumu. Mana ia mai fuluale tau whakatokaanga ki whakamtalohi a ki aho mahuinga nei mo e mailongaanga he tau puhala kua ngā hua kau whakataha e tau motu ne ua. Tahe whenonga mai he tau hukui hasaina ne kua ngahua tau ke motu kunisilani ne hohoko mai a kolo tolu ia ni leweki atu ki Niue mo Atulunga. Whakisi mana atu ai fuki e hukui mai I Saina hangau ia ke tau whakawhetuianga nei mo I tala hau ai fuki he matupale mia o seu toke tālangi hana whiawhia he whakatuwhono ha koe mwipaheanga nei mo I tau langmatai ni kua moa mai I Niue ha koe whakawhetuianga ia. Ni tuku atu fuki hana tau whakaue ke he whakatuwhono ha Young Vivian ke mga aho ne kua ikipule ai fuki kau whalataha ke whakamole tau whakawhetuianga nei. Whakamtalahi mo I whakatupi ai Saina e aho me ki se whiawhia whakatuwhono ke he tuanga he tau whakatuianga koe tau matakau ne kua whiwhiri ai fuki ke kori whakawhiawhia koe matakau tuku wala matakau kori mai a mo e matakau kori whakamotu he aonga tokolunga. Whakatoa e tau whakawhiawhianga ke he commercial centre si matutaki atu ai fuki mo I whakaranga whakapāpā paula ke he wāfo ke he pauli he pō. Ke tahani whakatātāha nei ni kua mua te lahi mo I ofu fuki te tangata he kisikisi atu ki ai. Niue rolled out the red carpet on Saturday for celebrations to mark the 10-year anniversary of diplomatic relations with the People's Republic of China. The formal ceremony was held at the Commercial Centre and invited guests were treated to a feast co-hosted by the two governments. Premier Sir Toke Talangi acknowledged the contribution of the former Premier Young Vivian and his cabinet for the foresight in establishing diplomatic relations with China in 2007. He also reiterated that Niue stands by maintaining the One China policy and looks forward to ongoing cooperation. We spoke to the leader of the Chinese delegation, the Charge d'Affaires, Huan Shouku, to find out what his thoughts were about the celebrations.
I think the organization of this event is wonderful. In this regard, we have to appreciate the government of Niue and the people of Niue to organize so well. The celebration is so wonderful. It's my first time to see such a wonderful event in Niue. We all had a good time in this island, so we will come back again in future.
The entertainment segment of the program started off with a traditional takalo and chants by the Tukuala boys dance troupe. Kolimaya Dance School children also prepared a few items, and the Niue High School culture group were able to perform as well. Celebrations ended with a big bang and crowds were wowed by a 10-minute fireworks display at the Sir Roberts Wharf. The surrounding areas at the top of the wharf were packed with people eager to see what was probably one of the largest fireworks displays the island has seen. Kua whai maweheanga fōu e whakatawhono ne kua whakamolia I Mosaina ke whalefono he ahuni awhi ke lata mo e tau puhala tū he motu. Koe mahina ha apelile he tau nei, ne hoko mai e tahamata kau mai saina ke tau se ai tau kumikumianga. Mo kisikisi koe lahi whewhe ngā hua ke tau se. Koe tau fuafuanga ke mga hona, koe uafuru e miliona tāla, ke mai ke tau siwa se tau puhala tū, ne manako ni we ki ai. Whakatutala I mo e matupale mia ke kisia koe whewhe hana tau talhawanga, hangau ia ke he mawihanga nei.
Te tupene ne a mauna ke mau tūru ko wha maopopo e tau e wa mara. Hoko me ke tau ne. Ka whakaanga ke rā tāi mo e tau mana tū. Tau se e se. Koe whakatakataka haia. Se koe tau tupe haia. Koe rea wapare ke saina tuku ne rokana mturu rine. Ke whakamōri he rau tūra wāi. Ke mō te tangata ke mai ke tau se pora tū. Koe pera te ria mau tūru ke kapata pēn December tau ka hau. Kai tō uktari ka hā ke rau tūru tau oharanga hō. Koe mai ke puke nā kai mai ke tāna mau tūru fuki. Koe mai rakai ke lauri ke tau se tuai, tō hoka pēn December. Se ke pehe rau tūru. Rau tūru ke tau se koe mai ka rakai ke bihe. Si rau whiawhia kai ke bihe.
Koe tau taki taha ni liriwa I te hukui te whakatawhono whakatutala ke tau matangahua, ne kua talia ki ai.
O, kamerika wāke koe tau tāla ke tau tanga watu ke register. E register he tau tūra manaka watu ke saina. Kai pehea rau tūra tō ora tūra kumi kūpi e warai. Ke ki se ai whiawhia o he whakatakataka ia ha koe ai whitupe. Ne pehea ka hā whakamare. Koe, it's a preferential tax system they have for maritime shipping. So, kai eke koe diri rau tūru. Moka I tau tūru puke o te tau tanga ki saina. Ke whakaanga tau ports saina. Puke tau tanga saina nga mai. Awa tau ports o tau tūru.
Kua whai mngāho anga ia ni ke ngā hua e tau hukui mai saina ke liriwa atua e moi whakailoa ke kūmi e tamdakau ne manāku ai ke tau se matangahua lohi nei koe tau whakatupeanga mai whalumena fuki. Kai ke holomita ke tau whakatutala anga ia, tuka māte ngā hua ke tau pala tū, ke mahina ha te se mo he tau ka hau. Niue has signed an economic and technical cooperation agreement with China for the road rehabilitation project. In April this year, a team of experts from China were sent to do a scoping exercise to identify how extensive the work would be in terms of the status of the island's roads and what assistance would be required. An official signing was held on Monday at the Whalefono with some of the senior government officials present for the formalities that are in line with the bilateral relations and policies.
China's policy towards other countries, we based upon 5 principles. That means mutual respect, mutual equality, mutual non-interference for internal affairs, and mutual benefits, and peaceful coexistence. So this is the 5 principles based upon which we handle our foreign relations with the other countries. Based upon such 5 principles, we'll continue to strengthen our existing friendly bilateral friendship with the new A.
Generally, with these type of things, we don't expect any major developments beyond the fact that we reaffirm our friendship, reaffirm our one-child policy, and they reaffirm the fact that they will provide economic assistance for Niue. So that's basically what this is about. It's what we celebrated over the weekend, and the fireworks that finished it. So I thought it was a good Christmas fireworks display.
This is a follow-up of a visit earlier in the year to formalise the commitment from both governments for this roading project.
We hope this system will improve the road condition in Niue. but we have to go through internal process in Beijing, and we have to go through a bidding process to determine the contractor who will implement the building of this road system in UA. I believe with the concerted efforts from both sides, the road building project will start as soon as possible.
The presence of the Chinese delegation also provided an opportunity to discuss other matters of interest.
We had a bilateral meeting with the Premier Sir Atoki Tanachi and discussed the issues which concern the two bilateral and regional issues. This is the purpose of our visit for this time.
It's an accumulation of all the funds that have been allocated by China over the past 10 years or so. So I believe that's sufficient. Let's see what happens. The only other thing we talked about this morning was something to do with maritime preferential tax treatment for our ships that are registered by us, by Niue, to go into the Port of China and for Chinese boats to come here. It's something that I'm rather taken by, because it doesn't mean to say there is an exchange of money per se. It's just giving us preferential treatment and making it slightly cheaper for vessels that are registered in the Niue registry to enter the ports in China.
The expectation is that the road rehabilitation project will start in December 2018. Kai whahita pue kwa mole ni ko whakatuma we te malulu hila ke masi whaofwai we lauia i e mutu katoa. We pungi hao tapu ne hai e tole kua ke he te malulu hila ko mowai ha koe whala te koloa ke he te maanga ko mtalau we maanga ko liku. Ni ngā huai e whahe malulu hila ke hao sāpati ke lali ke liu whakamui e malulu hila wa tā masi mai mtahola mataha. Si hoku atu e mtahola hiva ke he awhiwhi. Pe he mai e taha he tō tangata mga hau ki alata e mai whahe malulu hila ko Wayne Harris Store. Wa liu e hila he maanga ko liku. Tā masi ke mai ke whakamaumau e tau kawe hila ke lata mai pamuwai he maanga. Wa whakatumau e whahe malulu hila ke hua ke tau le kua. Mai ko whakahoho i fōki ke tau tangata. Kai ke ko liu e hila ke masi e whakahofu ke tā masi usi e tau palaki hila ke aue ni ke malona tu fōki e tu whalua tau koloa hila. Last week, the island experienced unexpected power cuts due to a number of faults. The Niue Power Corporation staff were quick to identify that 2 faulty transformers caused the outage on early Sunday morning, and that meant half of the island was without power for a few hours early Sunday morning. The faults were located in the villages of Mutalau and Liku. The Niue Power Corporation worked from 11 in the morning until 9 in the evening. According to a Niue Power representative, the Mutalau and Liku villages were the areas that were affected by the power outage, and there was also another power cut to the village of Liku yesterday to repair the high voltage cable for the water pump. Niue Power encouraged the public to turn off all appliances if there are any more unexpected outages to minimize broken electrical appliances. Taha e paliwa whine kua toa ke he wao me malana e taha pāpui pui ke mta kawini toka e tau koloa lapahi o tā vili maluro mai he lā. Ko le kua nei tupu ke hau nei, tala haua e he whāhinga hua leo leo. Ko ia ko e whine ono pu maange tau ni kua whakaholo e paliwa whi mai nā kai whai tangata whoki loto. Nā kai loa mheno ko e heingoa e le kua ni kua tupu kai whakatumawa ngai ni halu tōlua tau kumikimianga. Kua malana e paliwa whi taha wala whuki he pāpui pui, wai whalu koloa, fuafua e koe tōrungu ure a whetā la maanga ni ka whakamole ke liwa ke tuanga koe mtaki kai whakaue, koe nā kai whetangata ni pākia. Koe mga whanei tū mawanga i ndau hātakianga mai whāhinga hua leo leo, Ke tau tangata, kua pātua e mtakau ia, nā kai mai ke tangata ke hua tu pule no ki ai. A motor vehicle accident has caused damage to the security fence and solar panels at the solar energy site near the airport. Niue police confirmed that a female driver was the only occupant in the vehicle at the time of the accident. She was later taken to the hospital and was under medical investigation, but did not appear to have sustained any major injuries. It is uncertain what the cause of the accident was, and a police investigation is still ongoing. The security fence at the enclosure and about $30,000 worth of equipment was damaged, taking 90 kilowatts off the main power grid. The area is closed to the public and has been cordoned off, and police would like to remind people that this site is out of bounds. E whakahokwa e taha make se whakafua he tau fuiwhanua me tau koloa whakasese moko ke hawhalaile ko male, koe ke mataanga hanei he tau puhala whakahoho ke tau tangata, ke tau puhalanga hua whanua, me tau kai mitaki mai tau malolo sino. Koe whakahoanga nei, ne kau whalatahe me tau whakasese moko ko Niofa, mo Niue Food Processors Association, tala haua e tahe tau tangata ne whakatokatoka e ko Alana Tukuniu, koe ononuanga ke mai kia e tau fuata ki se tau puhala mua tupe, nā kai ni ke tau kai, kai pia fōki, ke whalu koloanga hoa lima, ne ko tālanga mai he tau koloa mutu. Koe amana ki anga ke whakahoko langatahe mahina, mai koe puhala ke whakakese tau puhala, ke he mai whakafuanga fōki tau koloa. Koe taha whakatokaanga fōki me takau nei, nā kai mai ke whakaonga e tau koloa plastiki, kai whakaonga ni he tau koloa mutu. Amana ki ke liu ke whai ma kespe he nei ke hao hongwhamaua, ia ni wali uafe hongwhamawalu. Friday night last week, Niue held its first local organic market nights. Niue Organic Farmers Association, in collaboration with the Niue Food Processors Association, hosted the first organic night market at the marketplace in Alofi. According to Niofa coordinator Alana Tukuniu, the night market was to promote waste management, as most waste goes into the ocean and contributes to the killing of marine life. A big emphasis was put on looking after the environment and discouraging the use of plastic packaging, plastic cups and plastic containers, but promoting the use of local products. Not only was it to help bring in profit for the organic farmers and fishermen, but also to give young farmers an outlet for their produce, showing them that their products can gain profit. It has taken over a year to plan, but due to many other occasions throughout the year, this event finally occurred during the festive season. The night market has seen more people attending and participating than expected, which proved beneficial for Niofa and NFPA. Not only is the night market open for organic products, but is also open for handicrafts, woven materials and other products which are made from local materials. Niofa and NFPA plan to continue these organic markets once a month, with the next event being held on the 12th of January 2018. Koe oki wahatapu e ko Māori ni whakahoko e aha whakatātai he maanga ko Waia, pese ni he tose maanga kai ononua tuai, ke tokolonga i alutulu ni kona nofo e ko mole e taha seo tangata, mi tau ki hiki sia to tangata he maanga ni ko kau whakataha ke lat me aho, tau kapitinga moe tau mga whawa, he mai ia e tohi kupu he whono tuk maanga, longa tu fōke tu tangata ni ko mai ke tau nei, o lango tei ke whakatatai atu ke whalu tau tau. Ko lima ulai tu tangata, mai halutulu tu singa, whai whale whakafua kaloa fōke am takau tumua ke whanua ke hururu, ke whakakese me whakailoi ko hingoa halutulu tau ngahua. Koe taha matangua lahi he maanga ni ko tau se ke tau nei fōke, koe taha langanga he pāpele he tau whānau, puhala mai he tau langmatai, tupe mai ho whisa komisina tokolunga ni Silani, ne talahau e he komisina tokolunga ni Silani ko Ross Ardern, kua moua mai e te koloa, tuku atua i ke he maanga ke tālanga he pāpele, mo e whiawhia ia hako mawhisila he maanga ko Waia, ke whakatūtū i halutolo te koloa, ke lata me whakaonga he tu whānau. Ma whale hau whakatātai he maanga ko Waia, mai tahini hau whakatātai ni toi, to osi ai e tau wātang mawhitu. On Saturday, the village of Waia held their annual show day, and although the village is small in land size, the population is quite big. Based on provisional census results this year, there are more than 100 people in the village of Waia. It was good to see the community come together in anticipation for the occasion, working side by side to make the event possible. According to the Vaya Village Council Secretary, this year's show day saw a bigger crowd attending and participating, with more than 8 stalls lining the field. Friends and families helped each other prepare food and other goodies to sell on the day, and the Reach the Reef project had their own stall, giving insight on what they do and what the project is all about. But one project that the village has completed successfully this year was the construction of the children's playground. This project was funded by the New Zealand High Commission Office, and the village of Vaya were given the materials and they constructed the new addition to the playgrounds themselves. New Zealand High Commissioner Ross Ardern commented that it was built quite fast given the short amount of time the materials had been handed over. Vaya showed that despite its size, they can host a great show day, and this is the second to last show day for this year. That concludes our news for tonight, and this is also our final news bulletin for 2017. On behalf of the news team and the Broadcasting Corporation of Niue, we would like to thank you all for your company this year and wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We look forward to bringing you more news in the new year 2018. Whakakatoa mai nei hata tūla tau wala tala tutupu ke lata i moia whiwhinei. Mai he mataka o whakapuloa tala, pia whukni me whahingo whakapuloa leo. Ko manako ke tuku a te tawhakau e ke hamtūlo te kau whakataha mai ke te whakaroang he tau nei. Moe amana ki ni ke mnui ni Krisima si moe tau fō ne hanga awa tikei. Amana ki ke liriu ke whelwea ke tau ua whimahong whimawalu. Ke nono whua, unui ne pō, tō liriu ni ke whelwea.